Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. My nails are busted, y'all. Busted. You have to excuse my nail situation. Psoriasis just be doing wonky things to my nail beds, but that's not why we're here. We're not here to talk about my wonky nails. We are going to try something on this dude tonight. So I've been doing some research on peel-off bases for like pre-gel application. Specifically, I mean, I don't do acrylics or anything like that, but I have Madam Glam's peel-off base coat. And y'all, I'm kind of terrified to use it because I have watched, this came from G Money, by the way. I think she gifted this to me. But I've watched a couple of videos, YouTube videos on people who have tested this out, or I don't know, swatched it. Is that a thing? Who have tried this out or maybe done wear tests, that kind of stuffs. And it wasn't like it wasn't like the polish just popped off. It was kind of a struggle. And I thought, ooh, not sure if that's for me. And I also found a video, I think Lisette Nails did one. She uses Ready for Takeoff peel-off base coat, which is used under just, you know, regular old polish. And I used to have 2 whole ass bottles of that and I cannot find it anywhere. But I have done some more research and found some more videos. She used cuticle oil followed by matte top coat. And she used the matte top coat to apply her tip. I want to try that. I want to see if it's a little nail hacky hack. So I thought, why not try my Red Iguana Ballerina XL tips that I recently hauled. So I will also put a link to that card up in the corner. I've never tried these tips before, nail iguana tips. So I'm gonna reach in here and pull out a 3 and a 4. I'm not quite sure yet which one would work the best. Which one is this? This is the 3, I think. I know y'all can't see that. So we're gonna try to do it. And again, these are the ones that have these little soups, like paper thin, little wangs on them. And the pre-etched wells. That's, I mean, sidewall to sidewall. That's kind of doing a little bit of a pokey thing into my sidewall. So let's put the 3 over here and let's try a 4. But again, when I press down, even when I don't press down, that little wing tip wants to stick right up. But sidewall to sidewall, it's looking pretty good. Maybe I'll try that. Maybe we'll go with the 4. Again, I'm trying a new pop-off method. So if it pops off, then I guess the method worked. I don't know. We'll see. So let's put the 3 back. I have only prepped, well, actually, I've done 0 nail prep. I only did my crusty cutes. I pulled out my e-file and did a little bit of cleanup work around my cuticles, but I haven't like buffed the surface of my nail. I do still have some old product left on here, probably some old Betsy solid nail glue or something. I do have a little bit of shine, natural shine to my nail because according to the video that I watched, you know, you don't want to be buffing because I don't want this to last. I have no idea what design I'm gonna be doing over it anyway, but I'm just gonna go in with some Madam Glam Elixir cuticle oil if I can get it open. I'm not entirely sure if, I think this little side, the little wing on this side might get on my nerves. I'm just gonna snip him just a smidge, just a hair, and see. Oh, I think that's better. Yeah. You know what? I might do him too. Oh, I might do him too. Okay. Okay. I think, yeah. I think that's the move for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is apply my cuticle oil first, and then apply Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. I have 2 different lamps here. I have one of these little jobbies. Yeah, maybe y'all can see that. Otherwise, I'm gonna be going into my big old lamp over here like when I do my, like when I cure my velvet matte top coat. All right, let's dive in. Let's dive into this technique, this nail hack-ish thing, nail hack, peel off base coat. Yeah, so allegedly, I'm just going to apply my cute oil and I'm gonna let it soak in. So while this is soaking in, I did want to mention, as I said, I watched a couple of people on struggle on YouTube with using Madam Glam's peel off base coat. So I have no idea how long G Money had this before she gave it to me, but I went to Madam Glam's website because I was gonna look at like the reviews and stuff, and it has 4.9 star review, so it's like a highly rated product. I'm sorry, 4.9 star rating. There we go. But the product description itself said that it has been newly formulated. So this may be like the old formulation that people were struggling with. And then the new formulation that Madam Glam is currently selling on their website, that may be the one that everyone is loving. And I don't think that's what I have here. So, but I'm not even gonna try it. I ain't even gonna try it. We're just gonna carry on with this. And if this works well for me, then maybe this is what I will use, because I do have moments where I want to do manis on myself, but you know, I don't want to be stuck either wearing it for days and days and days at a time, or I want to like quickly, you know, do another design the next night or 2 nights later. But I also don't want to take the time to file all that crap off. Why not? We're just going to try this out. That's what we do here. That's what we do here. Base a little lacquer. We just play around. All right, let's get our matte top coat on here.
This feels super weird to be applying this over a surface that has not been, like, buffed. Glossy top coat. But I thought I would go ahead and try.
Oh, Tara. I literally just stabbed my fingertip with that. You idiot. This is also what we do here at Bases Loaded Lacquer. We're just doodle heads sometimes. Y'all can't take me nowheres. I think I'm gonna pop this in my lamp and I'm gonna cure it on low heat mode. Low heat mode. Sorry you can't see me. I'm in the big lamp. I also just realized or wanted to mention, because I put this over cuticle oil, the potential is there that I transferred some cuticle oil into my velvet matte top coat. Whoopsie. So you may want to have a matte top coat dedicated specifically for this method if you're going to be applying it over cuticle oil. There we are. We're all matted up. And before I go into this application, I think I want to trim down this tip a little bit so that I can function like a normal human. Yeah, I think that would be, whoops, much more manageable in my everyday life. Okay, so here's where the trickiness will come in for me. The video that I saw, she put another coat of matte top coat on. And please don't think that I'm stealing her thunder. If I knew what her name was right now, I would tell you. But, so of course, this is not my nail hack. I'm just checking it out to see if it's gonna work for me. It worked for her, so good news there. But she went in with the second matte top coat and did not cure that yet, because she actually uses this to apply her tip. So hang on, y'all. She took a tiny little bit over here. Can y'all see this? I hope so. I hope I'm in frame. And she put it in the well of her tip. Sorry, I'm not left-handed. Let's get this out of the way. And now I'm gonna turn on my little lampy lamp. Make sure I keep my nail out from under there for right now. And we are gonna, I hope y'all can see this, we're gonna apply the tip and then sneak it under here. Sneaky, sneak, sneak, sneak. Okay. Okay, is it working? Okay, I know I'm good. I'm good. I'm good there. Okay, now I'm gonna stick it in my big lamp. All right, we're out of the big lamp. Okay. I mean, it's not bad, but I didn't have it aligned correctly. So as you can see over here, we're hanging off just a smidge. And over here, we haven't come all the way to that sidewall. And that was just me and my terrible, I don't know, alignment. Otherwise, if it had been aligned correctly, it would be a perfect fit, but we're hanging off a little bit. It's fine. I'm gonna shape it up just a little bit, do some, I don't know, prep. Yeah, the little wingy wings are kind of sticky uppy just a little bit, not quite flush to my nail bed, but all through the center here. And I know I told y'all this when I first opened up this box of Ready Iguana tips, that this well is so paper thin. This is flush. I mean, there is literally nothing there to file and blend in with my natural nail bed. So for that alone, these tips are going to get, yeah, these tips are going to get an A+, just for the fact that I would not have to blend these into my natural nails. I wouldn't have to do any blending on the sides either, but I'm a doodlehead, and, you know, sometimes that happens. Again, I'm not quite sure what design I'm going to do over this. That's going to be a different video, but I will come back and show y'all if it actually pops off for me. Okay, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. I'm just popping on here, popping on to pop off, maybe. I don't know. This is just sort of a little update. I'm now on day 2 with this pop-off method, and I feel as though this thing, like I could live with this for another, I don't know, 2-3 days probably, with the exception of course, my little snafu. And I do have a little bit of lifting here, but I've actually like bumped this tip a few times. Okay, so before I get into actually trying to pop this bad boy off, which I think I'm going to go ahead and do tonight, I love this tip shape. I've never had this shape on my thumb before. I think I would actually love it more if I had applied this tip, you know, this shape on these nails, but it's impossible for me to freaking text on my phone. I can't use the fat nubby side of my thumb on my phone. So I could probably, or if I were to apply this tip again, I would taper it. I would love a stiletto that length on my thumb, yeah. Or keep it the same shape, but chop it down. I don't know, which I guess sort of defeats the purpose of having an XL ballerina on my thumb, on any nail really. But as far as removal, oh, by the way, I'm going to put a picture of, I think when I was filming, I told you I couldn't remember who it was, the name of the artiste who sort of gave me this, or posted this little hack. Vanessa Nails, I'm going to put up a little picture up here somewhere of her channel. It's Vanessa Nails with a Z. And I do believe I've only watched a couple of her videos. I don't know if she's a tech or what, but it appears as though she has her own brand of gel polish, like her own line of gel polish, which is awesome. Go girl. I may have to check her out. You know, I love to support me some small businesses. If you get a chance, go check out her original video. I will either link it in the cards or link it in the description box below. Not only does she just flat out show you how she does this method, but because she has a lot more knowledge than I have about any of this stuff, she does give a lot of extra little tips and tricks along the way as she's showing her, you know, application process and that kind of stuff. So definitely go give her, go check out that video. But I'm going to go ahead and throw some cuticle oil on here because I'm going to test out this hack my way. And I'm going in. I know Omnia says this is the tool of death for her. It's not sharp at all. It's very dull. I've had this for years. I use it all the time. It's very dull. This part right here is sharp because I never use that. Like, why? So I really don't know where to start with this because it's not, the only place it's lifting is sort of like down here. But I don't know. I think I'll start here. This might end poorly. All right, I'm just going in for it. So can y'all see that little bit? And see, I've shined it all up now. that tiny little bit of lifting right here. I think that's where I'm going to try to go in. Oh. Oh. I'm not talking because I'm concentrating. Oh God, watch my whole ass. Look. Okay, I'm gonna come in over here now. But now this is where I applied my top coat. So that's probably top coat stuck to my nail bed. But, oh, hold on. Hold on, I think it's working. Look. Okay. Hang on. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, it worked. Okay, now to assess the damage. That's just, yeah, where I, you know, effed up and applied my tip on crookedly. I did not align it properly. Hang on. I'm oiling up. I don't care. Okay. So aside from that, I'm going to let my oil sink in, set in for a little bit before I come in, because I can just take a buffer or something, a 240 file, and just get that product off. But hang on. No, that's it. That's like all the product that's left on there. Yeah, okay. That worked. And I'm going to take one more look at my tip just to make sure I'm not leaving behind any DNA, any piece of my nail bed. And I'm not. That looks really good. Okay. Will I use this process all the time? Who knows? Probably not. I am still going to give the Madam Glam, now that I've done it this way, I think I am still going to give the Madam Glam Peel Off Base Coat a shot. Yeah. Okay. That's it. That's really all I wanted to show y'all. Okay. Do with that information as you wish. Okay, guys. I'm not sure if I taught y'all anything. But for sure, go check out Vanessa Nails. There, let's get back into focus. Go check out Vanessa Nails. Again, I will have her linked either in the cards or link her channel or her video down in the description box below. I don't know. I hope that helped y'all. All right, if you stuck around this long, bless ya. If you stuck around this long, drop the keyword. Here's the keyword. Let me know. This is how I'm going to know you've stuck around this long. Drop the keyword in the comments. And the keyword is the secret word. The secret word is cotton ball. Maybe that's 2 words. The secret 2 words. The secret phrase is cotton ball. Cotton ball. Let me know that you watched this whole video. If you are brand new here, please hit that subscribe button. If you have been here for a while, thank you so much for supporting my tiny little channel. I have set a goal for myself for the rest of the year. I'm trying to reach 3,000 subscribers. I'm over 2,900. Like, I think I need like 80 or 90 subs to go to hit 3K, which honestly, I'm kind of embarrassed because I've been on this here app since I think 2015, okay? 2015, and I ain't even at 3K yet. But I am back on my game. I am uploading regular content for y'all. And help me get to 3K, y'all. I'm going to try to do a giveaway when I get to 3K. All right, I'm going to shut up because the World Series is on, and I'm out of here. Love y'all. Bye.